Hiya, Melanie-Jane here. Not done a video for a while. Just check I'll press record this time. Yes, I did. Good. Mainly because my GoPro's been busy. I'll show you later what it was doing, what it is doing. So I'm using my phone today on my selfie stick. Going into town. I've got a watch to take for a battery fitted, and going to meet a friend for coffee, and that's about all. I'll probably go to phase 8 as I usually do. So what am I wearing today? I have my leather jacket, a white top, black pencil skirt, and some patent heels. So, I'll show you what the GoPro is doing. Oops. It's a lovely sunny day, as you can see. And here's the GoPro. It's in time-lapse mode. It's filming these flowers, which normally open very quickly, but they seem to have taken forever this time. I think because the weather's been a bit cold. Hopefully I'll get some nice footage of them opening. You can see the flowers there. Can you? Yes, just here. It's lovely maroon colour. Anyway, I'll probably show you the result in one of my videos, just for interest's sake. Okay. Ooh, gone down the crack. So, going to town now. We'll see you later. Okay, ready to go. Shut the computer down. Let's go into town. I need 3 pairs of hands when I'm using a selfie stick. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, here we are at the car park. Better close the window. Still have to ask myself if I've locked the door. Level 3. One more to go. This is the station. I've never been to Lincoln before. The sun's right behind me, isn't it? Probably can't see me.
It really depends whether it's good.
Hello.
Yeah.
I need a battery.
Yeah, we'll do that for you, no problem at all. Yeah, £8.50, it'll be around about half an hour.
Half an hour? Right. Yeah. Okay.
Going down the
Brilliant, okay, pop that when you're ready.
Okay.
Thank you
All
very
right.
much. then.
Thank you.
the fall out, really. I don't know what anything quite like that. What would I look at second hand, you see?
That was one of my golfing buddies. I'd have given him a heart attack if I'd have said hello. Beautiful day. Identified my card. Here it is. Cappuccino, please.
Yeah. Anything else at all?
Yes. Can I have one of these things?
One of
here?
anything?
Yes,
Are you
please.
staying in today?
Yes, I think we're sitting outside.
Outside.
That's all right.
Do you have any allergies at all? Do you have any allergies?
No.
No, that's fine. We just have a glass. So I won't give you a number because we know where you're at. So
Okay.
That's fine. And that is £5.45 altogether, please. Thank you very much. Hi guys.
Thank you.
Perfect. If you want to take a seat outside, we'll bring it out to you when it's ready.
Thank you.
There you go. Is that better? Yeah.
Gone outside already.
bring you a coffee too,
Yes.
is to get through the queue quicker.
Yeah.
To make it look, to get people, oh, good name, it's not very busy.
Yeah. Well, it's, yeah, what's the point in standing there?
Yeah.
Always bring one up. I can do it.
Place like
Oh no, it's not that. They're 8 feet.
It always goes down the road. I'll say what happens to the rest of the things is right now, is take them from the school, don't you?
Yeah, I mean,
oh,
it's
that's
not ideal. We all get to call out.
I know, they're out to the school.
There's what? Yeah.
Oh,
There we are, in Lincoln's, what's it called, this place? St Mark's Square, is it? No, that's not, it's not. Cornhill. It's a Cornhill, I think. Well, this is Sinsel Street anyway. So.
We've still got stuff. Alleyways. We've got our shops for
See you later. Right, I'm going to nip to the opticians. I'm going to Specsavers. Other opticians are available. I'll see you in a bit then.
So if you went for the best lenses, you get the second set.
Can I go up to contact lenses?
Pardon?
Can I go up to contact lenses?
Yes, of course, can, yeah.
Thank you.
Just have sign in the box there. It's just to say the NHS paid me sight test for all this. Brilliant, lovely. Grab a seat, we'll do some pre-test shortly. How's you?
I'm alright, thank you. You?
You're alright, thank you. Appointment?
What have you been doing?
I know, I fell over.
Oh dear.
Fell over a fence head first.
Oh dear.
But it was just like a bump on my nose and a bump on my head, but then it's developed into two black eyes.
Yes. Oh dear.
I know.
No, I don't, but I want to reduce my contact lenses
Yep, no problem.
to probably half.
Okay, put them down. Have a seat in the corridor. I'll get Rachel to have a word with you.
Okay, thank you.
the dress was like just a strapping. It was nice, but I think it was 99 quid.
Yeah. You can tell the quality though, because you wash them and you can wear them again and again.
Skirt there, I think it was like 50 odd quid.
There's very little in there that's less than 50.
that red jacket,
That isn't worth anything, it's sentimental.
Right. There we go. That's all very nicely.
Lovely.
Are you wearing it? Drop up it back in there for you. £8.50 then, please.
I wonder what time it is.
Nowhere to look. That's lovely. Thank you very much.
22. I thought it would have been all right.
£1.50 change and your receipt.
How much is the blue pendant?
I'm late.
Now then, sorry, whereabouts are we looking?
That's the one.
This one?
No, that way. That one.
That one. Just have a look for you.
Which one? The pale one or the...
The lapis one, that one.
Yeah.
That's nice.
That's set in silver, and that's 160. That one. Okay.
And what's the stone?
Lapis lazuli.
We've got a mirror.
Alright. I like the colour of that one as well.
It's nice, isn't it?
It is nice, and the light blue stands out more.
It does.
Wait a minute, let me just cancel.
Can you see?
Will be the same price with a longer chain.
It all comes complete. That's the problem.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, yeah, I don't think I'll be able to.
Okay.
All right.
That's the problem with them.
Oh.
They're all too short.
Let me just take that off.
You watch.
You got
Okay.
it, have you? Thank you very
Thank
much
you.
then. Bye-bye.
There we are. It's been a nice shop. Cup of coffee. Now back to the car park. Be lazy as I've got 3 floors to go up. It's here already. Going on. That's a funny night. Third floor. Okay, this is the right floor. It is the right floor, and there's my car. Now I have to find the car key. Let's go home. Actually, bought nothing for a change. What's going on? Not so sure how long you'll stay up there. Give you a try. What's your jellies? Big room.